Welcome back, my friends. In this section, which is the section A, I will be teaching you the introduction to cryptocurrency. What do you understand by cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses cryptography as its security. What do you understand now as cryptography? Cryptography is a method used to protect cryptocurrency using codes which an outsider cannot read, but only those whom the information is meant for can read and process. And this cryptography is just like a code that those website developers, the code they use, there are some codes that they will use that when they do not expose the code, you yourself will not know exactly what they have written there. So now, who is the founder of cryptocurrency? The founder of cryptocurrency is Satoshi Nakamoto. He was the first person who created the first cryptocurrency called Bitcoin in 2018. We have the miners. Who are the miners? They are those that create cryptocurrencies that are not Bitcoin. Bitcoin cannot be created again, but other currencies can be created using different formulas depending on the formula used to create that particular cryptocurrency. We have the altcoin. The other name for altcoin is the alternative coin. The alternative coins are coins that are not Bitcoin. Example, we have the Ethereum, we have the Litecoin, we have the Dogecoin, etc. We have other ones which when you search online, you will see many of them. They are much. What are cryptography? Cryptography is used to protect cryptocurrency using codes which an outsider cannot read, but only those whom the information is meant for can read and process it. Just like what I said initially, that cryptography is just like a code that mostly all these web developers use. Just exactly what I said in the beginning of the class.